Welcome to a new video of the Parts channel. Well, I have recorded a short video for you to see how we remove a scratch that this vehicle has on the paint, in this case on the handle, produced by a friction with a column in a parking lot. Here we are going to use to remove this brake cleaner, the one that is usually used to clean the brake discs. Look, we impregnate a little in the cloth, just a little, and you will see that the scratch is removed. Here what there is paint from that column that has been transferred to the vehicle. And we only impregnate a little and you can see how this is removed. Why does it happen? Well, you know that the brake cleaner uses solvent as a base. That's why it can be removed. Now it is wet a little with water and then you add a little polish, and with a cloth you give it a little and the handle is already perfect. Well, here you have this video. If it has been useful for you, do not forget give a like and subscribe to the channel.